Hey there, future-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech for 2025. Today, we're diving into how to get a virtual debit card with Wells Fargo. If you're tired of carrying physical cards and want a seamless, secure digital option, this guide is for you. By 2025, Wells Fargo has made virtual debit cards a breeze, offering enhanced security features like biometric logins and instant transaction alerts. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a virtual debit card? It's a digital version of your debit card that lives in your phone's wallet app. You can use it for online shopping, contactless payments, or even in-store taps without the risk of physical loss. Wells Fargo's version integrates with their app for real-time balance checks and fraud protection, super handy in today's fast-paced world. To get started, make sure you have a Wells Fargo account. If not, download the Wells Fargo app from your app store and sign up. It's quick and often requires just your ID and a few details. Once logged in, head to the Cards section. Look for the Virtual Card option. It's usually under Account Services. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This might involve a quick fingerprint scan or a one-time code sent to your phone. Next, select your card type, maybe link it to your existing debit account, and customize settings like spending limits or notification preferences. Wells Fargo's 2025 update lets you generate a virtual card in under a minute. After that, activate it by confirming through the app. Boom! You're all set. A few tips. Always keep your app updated for the latest security patches and monitor your transactions closely. If you run into issues, Wells Fargo's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. Remember, virtual cards are great for security, but use them wisely to avoid overspending. There you have it, folks. Getting a virtual debit card with Wells Fargo in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.